Hello guys, welcome back once again. I have promised to bring to you guys today a writing website that you can use to make money online, and this is the website that I discovered. And this website, I've tried it and I found that it's very good because this one is very far better than the ones I've been reviewing on this channel before. And the reason is that this one gives you instant approval. It doesn't require you to use a VPN, and also they allow you to use AI to write. They allow you to use artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Pro Writing, and all those AI writing software to do the job. And the sign up process is also very easy. So, but there is something about this website that you need to know when we start doing the registration process. So that's why you have to watch this video to the end for you to really understand. Most of the questions you ask in the comment section has already been answered in this video. So if you watch this video diligently and to the end, you will not have any reason to ask questions or not be stuck in any part of the registration process. So I implore you to watch this video to the very end and pay attention to the steps in this video. So with that being said, let's get started, guys. So the first thing to do is to come to this website named Constant Content. The name of the website is Constant Content. So if you type to Google Constant Content and you click the first link, let me type Constant Content. You click the first link on Google, is going to bring you to Constant Content here. So make sure you click on their logo here, so it's going to take you to their main page. That is where the process starts. So once you take you to their main page, over here you are going to scroll down to the bottom, because that's where you are going to sign up as a writer. Okay, so you scroll down to the bottom, the very bottom, and you are going to click on this one which says for writers. Yes, for writers. You click on for writers and it will take you to this page. Okay, so you click on get started now. Here, as you can see, your dream writing gigs is awaiting you. Seriously guys, after signing up, you don't have to do any other thing. You can start making money right away on this website. So let's see how cool this is. Get started now. So once you click on get started now, it's going to take you to this page where you are going to input your information. I told you you don't have to use a VPN, so you can use your real name, your real information, your home address, everything real about you. You are going to use it. So for me, I'm going to just input the information and show you the process. This is your name, your last name, pen name. Pen name means maybe your nickname. For example, my real name is Ezekiel Johnson, for example, and I'm going to put the pen name as Ezekiel 233. That's an example of pen name. So it's not compulsory you should use your name. Pen name is like a nickname, so you can put your nickname there. So my home address, city, and everything has been filled here, but I'm going to change this email address for the sake of this video. So I'll use the temporary email address because I don't want to have multiple accounts. Okay, so I had my own account I'm using, so I'm using this account, this very account, to show you the registration process. Okay, so you have to tell them why I want to write. So you can just, but before that, put in your password here. Everything they ask you to put in here, you must put it there. So why I want to write, this is a question, and this is where you're going to put the answer. What you tell them is that I have a passion for writing. I have a passion for writing, and I want to monetize my writing experience, and that's just what I'm going to tell them. So I have a passion for writing and I want to monetize my writing experience. That's just what I'm going to write for them in this place where it says why I want to write. Don't forget. So it says link to your online public profile. That means a link to your work samples. That's just the meaning, but it's not compulsory. You don't have to put it there. Okay, this is the place for it, but you don't have to put it there. So it also says link to your published content. You don't have to put it there also. So just leave these two places. If you don't have it, it will not affect you. Okay, so make sure you click on this box and to verify that I have read the licensing rights and terms and conditions. Okay, if you like, you can open the terms and conditions in a new tab to read it very well. So after filling the information on the screen right now, are going to click on continue. So now when you click on continue, it's going to take you to this place where you are going to answer 5 grammar questions. Okay, these questions are very simple, and I'm going to do this very right one for you now, because if you see the same question, here, you'll be able to know the answer to it since you've watched this video before signing up. You see these 1 2 3 4 5 questions, you have to answer it before you continue, before you submit your application. Okay, so I'm just going to answer the questions right now together. The first question says that the employee explained to his boss that he dashed his work last week. The answer is had finished. Please pay attention to these answers. The answer is had finished. The second question says the school hired a new dash. Is it principal or principal? The answer is principal. So the third question says Mary loved all the Backstreet Boys dash for Owe. The answer is except for Owe. And the fourth question says the basic dash is that those who work hard will be rewarded. The answer is principle. The basic principle is that those who work hard will be rewarded. And the last question says select the correct sentence. This is correct. Let's read. A student's book were found. This is not the correct. A student's book were found in the auditorium. This is correct. The second one right here is correct. So let's submit and see maybe we actually got it right. I click on submit, and boom, you can see we got it right. It says welcome, and when this information that's popping up on your screen right now, you have to read everything to understand what they want from you after this sign up process. Okay, so you can see that the test is very simple, but some people still get it wrong. Okay, and that's why I've quickly done it for you. So just make sure you read the information right here. For example, the things on this place is just what they don't want you to do and what they want you to do. Okay, so they say that you must have your best, you must do your best work, original content, no previous published content. Mind you, you can publish AI written content, but you are not allowed to publish a copyright content, maybe content that someone else have already published on Google. But you can actually use AI to generate your content and submit it to them. So you can read this on your own. Let me just read a few of this. It says no opinion based content, first person narrative or first person POV, including the first person plural. You are going to understand all this if you know English language. Okay, don't submit academic work, stories or poetry, links to a website or any promotional content or language. So the work you submit to them must be purely 100% text-based written stuff. Don't include links, don't include address, anything personal, don't include it. So just read through everything. Okay, I close this. Now this is the third part of this process. We've done the account creation, we've done the grammar test, and the last part is audition article. So this part is where you're going to write your first article. Mind you, you can use artificial intelligence to write this particular part, but there is a way to doing it. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, and also if you want me to show you how to do this last part, there's a video showing on the screen right now. Click on the video and you're going to see how I did this last part. Okay guys, so subscribe to this channel for more contents like this, because I post contents like this every single week. So one of these might actually get you a lot of money online if you actually put the right work to it. So guys, I'll continue to be giving you valuable content. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and click on the video on this screen right now to watch this last part. Thank you.